Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's video, what we are going to see about is our review and preview session. So let's get into the video. So alright guys, it's been quite some time now. We have posted the review and preview on Nifty. So coming to Nifty, so after a long months of sideways, the market has broken, and we have already predicted the target of Nifty will be 16,500. So many comments have come in that the target has been reached. So they have been asking for the next momentum in the market. So the thing is, the next possible target what I'm expecting is around 17,050. So that is my target for Nifty in the coming days. So I'm hoping the market will be pushing a little forward up to 17,000 mark. And one more big question is most of the people have been asking me in comments, our subscribers as well as my students, they have been asking whether there is a possibility of a crash. And the thing is, I want to clearly state that according to my analysis and the technical viewpoint, there is no crash ahead in a short time, until and unless if it is going to be a no full wage of war, which is going to be an international war, which is going to be caused by this Afghan problem. Until that, we don't expect a huge crash in the market, and the market is in a good buy trend. So my target for Nifty will be around 17,000. And in case if it gives a correction, it's well and good. So we can expect a correction as well. If that comes, it'll be a better price to buy at a cheaper price. So my viewpoint for Nifty is it's still in a buy trend, and the targets will be 17,048 for Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, so even as we said in the earlier videos, Bank Nifty, what happened is it has broken the previous long-term sideways market, and now again in a shorter term, it has formed a sideways after the breakout of the resistance. Now the resistance has become a support, and it is taking a support at around 35,800. So my view is it can go up to 37,700. So Bank Nifty target is going to be 37,700. So I'm hoping if the bank starts to push up the market, Nifty will be obviously reaching 17,000 mark. So my projection for Bank Nifty is it is going to be a buy, and we can go for a buy up to target of 37,700. And coming to gold, so gold took a huge sideways at, we'll take it as a double bottom as well. So 6,678, and it started to reject. Now this previous line of support has become a resistance area now, and we may expect a correction because of the resistance, but the overall trend is in buy, and my expected target is around 1,920. If gold is able to break above 1,830, we are expecting a target of 1,920 as well. And even if it is able to break that, we are going to expect a new all-time high in gold. So look forward to it, and as much as possible, whenever you see gold coming down, try to take it as an opportunity, not as a loss. So try to look as an opportunity, and try to buy gold as much as possible. So that is my advice. All right, so that is for the review and preview, guys, and thank you very much for joining. Take care. So alright guys, so this is for the review and preview today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for joining.